Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to talk about Stellar and its token XLM. None of the content is financial advice. XLM is one of the most trailing cryptos over the last 90 days per this crypto heat map available on cryptoweeklies.com, link on the bottom of your screen. XLM is up about 38% over the last 90 days. It did, again, the wider crypto market did have a smaller pullback over the last 30 days, 7 days, and last 24 hours. Nonetheless, the price of XLM right now per this weekly, right now it's at around 39 cents. This is the weekly chart for XLM. Does have a significant resistance over here at 70 cents from market cycle to market cycle from 2018, also back in 2021, and now potentially in 2025. Let's see if that 70 cents area is worth exploring. Right now, the by the coin market cap based ranking is ranked number 13th. So one of the most attention garnering cryptos over the last year or so has been XLM. This is the word cloud over here now. Although its narrative has not had meaningful presence over the last 7 days, you can see the overall market cycle right now is more controlled by the Ethereum narrative and Chainlink and some Bitcoin. But not much altcoins are definitely discussed, but not much individually. The XLM narrative right now. If we look for the tokenomics right now to analyze, about 31 billion out of the 50 billion are in circulation. That means about more than 60% of the max supply is in circulation at around 62%. It's down over the last 30 days by 20%. The price that is, but still the market cap is about 12 billion. If we were to look for XLM in terms of our machine learning models, the price forecasted, if there is a euphoria, a euphoria peak in the next 6 months, between the current price of about 46 cents, the current price at 39 cents, with the weekly average ceiling for this week at around 46 cents, uh, to about towards the end of December at around $1.24. $1.24 XLM is the Euphoria bull run peak for XLM. Again, I know it says the 68th percentile, but for now, especially for the cryptos which have already had a massive 5 to 6x rally since November, another euphoria phase is for this cycle is unlikely. That's just interpretation of these models. The base case between 37 cents and 44 cents. That means if there aren't any major bullish catalysts, that is the directionality case for XLM. The bear case we'll explore more in 2026. The fair value for XLM coming in at around 60 cents. Whenever this polynomial regression based fair value said the price is lower than this green line, like it did back in December 2022 and also briefly in June 2025. Uh, that point is very close to the bottom, using polynomial regression based interpretation, which is a non-linear model. In the bear market, the fair value goes down with time. In the bull market, it goes up with time. This particular instance, the regression function, this is the fair value estimation of the regression function. Wherever the price is above one standard deviation residual above the fair value, that's when the prices are overheated. That is coming in at around $1.04. So that could be a potential target as we move into the later Q4 of 2025. This ceiling, if it meets that $1, the machine learning based forecast at $1.30 to 40 cents, they could meet each other to create a confluence zone. That is also close to the 1.618 at $1.30. So $1.23, sorry. So those are the three different models. If there are a new all-time high for XLM, that's where the models, kind of 3 different models provide that guidance. Again, not financial advice. Currently the price risk is less than 20%. Whenever the market is overheated, the warmer colors, especially with the risk levels higher than 0.6, is evidenced. You can see over here, during the mania phases, the risk level is usually above 0.5 to 0.8. If that kind of price action is ahead of us, the risk based target for that level is between 92 cents to about $1.20. Again, another interpretation of $1.20 target for XLM using a different projection using regression based modeling. If we were to look at the 20-week simple moving average, based risk is coming in around 32%. If we go ahead with that moderate zone between 0.5 and 0.7 per this conservative model, the ceiling could be between 53 cents and about 66 cents. This is again a 20-week moving average based price with respect to the 20-week moving average, how far it has gone away from it. The highest for this model is estimated at around 75 cents. We take stock of all the individual model and then we aggregate their risk-based score. Right now, this time-weighted average price model says whenever the price is below the blue line, especially in the bear market years, uh, accumulating below the blue line for XLM has not been the worst idea. This model might be more handy in mid to late 2026. Right now, the time weighted average price based risk is at around 64%. Whenever it gets the deflection between the price and the time weighted price gets overheated, this model starts providing higher risk based valuations. In terms of the current price and how it relates to an estimated bull run peak, again still at $1.30 based on the 3 different risk based model, the individual model that we saw, the regression risk, the simple moving average, and the time weighted average price risk. Weighted risk is at around 0.28 or 30, less than 30%. The estimated bull run target is at around $1.30, provided all the individual risk based models go to 0.95 risk in unison. All the price targets at around pointing at a level around $1.25 to $1.30 if there is a new all-time high for XLM. And with that, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.